Hello, this is John Peter reporting on a very stormy day. So much of snowfall right now behind me and everywhere. And this is the first time in my life I have been driving such a long distance, 30 miles speed. Is from Kalamazoo to New Buffalo. So many kilometers valid, almost 150 kilometers will be there. Driving in the midst of the snowstorm. It's unavoidable, so I have to keep driving that way. So together with me was Father Bhaskar and Father Arul. Just now I dropped Father Arul, but unfortunately he left his cell phone in the car. So I am waiting outside for him to come and pick it. So I hope he will come by his car and pick up the phone at the earliest possible. So this is Michigan. It's just a very snowing day. It started around 5 o'clock or 5:30, and it goes on such a long day. Whole night it will be snowing. As the Lake Michigan is close by, the wind is so much blowing. I am going to turn the camera. The snow is so much there outside. It is blowing and everywhere. It was a dangerous drive in Highway 94. Father Bhaskar is inside. I can't face the opposite side mainly because of the wind. I cannot face the wind opposite direction. Okay, so you can see the force of the wind and also the snow going flying like anything. Good thing snow பெய்யும்போது என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா வெளியே வந்து நிற்கலாம் கையில்